Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of the flame frames on CapCut PC. So go to effects. I think it's under, actually I don't know where it is. Is it in light effect? Okay, it's not there. It is somewhere here. I'm trying to find it. It's not in star. Not there. Okay, it's under spark, not glitch. For instance, I want to change the color of this flame frame. So just go to color here and you can change it. You can even like add in keyframes to make it like really colorful here. So you can change the color from time to time. Then change that again and then change it. And then change that to blue again. To green. To like this lime green, to yellow, to orange, and then like the reverse of it. Totally up to you how you want to play around with the colors, definitely. And then maybe you can go back again to the blue one. I don't know, it's totally up to you. And you'll have this like color changing flame frame here. And it works with every effect, like this one as well. Add in a keyframe. You can also just add in the keyframe to the color section. To this blue, and then again pink, to this green, and then maybe again to this pink, to this red one, and then back to pink. I don't know. But that's it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!